What's up, confidants? It's your girl Armani B back with another hair tutorial, and today I'm going to be doing a review on DYHAIR777. The origin of this hair is Malaysian and I got it in 14 inches. This hair only cost $87 and I'm about to tell you guys how amazing it is. This wig did come with a frontal comb and baby hair at the back, but I'm actually going to cut the lace in the back because I don't have plans on wearing this wig in a ponytail. The packaging was super cute. It came with hair care instructions and a pair of eyelashes. The first thing I'm going to do is just go ahead and cut the excess lace. If you're wondering how I applied this wig, I did use the stocking cap method. I actually have a full tutorial on my main channel. It's super detailed and the link will be in the description box below. The only thing I did differently in this tutorial was that I applied the wig with the lace on using Got2b Ultra Glue gel, and then after I got the wig the way I wanted it to be placed, I left the lace for last. I actually really like this step better because I can cut the exact amount of lace I want, and when I'm done I could just take the end of my rat tail comb, use a little bit of the Got2b Ultra Glue gel, and lay the lace down and dry it. After the gel is dry and my lace is laid down, I'm just going to go ahead and refresh my hair using a little bit of water. Like I said before, I did use the stocking cap method, but I actually didn't cut the stocking cap all the way back. I left it, but that's okay because I am going to be doing baby hair, so it's going to completely cover it. Now I'm gonna style my edges or baby hair, whatever you want to call it. I'm gonna use duckbill clips to keep my hair pushed back while I find the baby hairs that I want to lay. The baby hairs on this wig are actually adult hairs, so I'm just gonna go in with scissors and I'm gonna cut them down and style them using a toothbrush. I didn't film the styling of my baby hairs because I don't do anything extraordinary. I style them just like how I style my natural edges, so yeah. The next step I'm going to take is I'm going to define my curls, and I'm going to use Shea Moisture Coconut and Hibiscus Frizz-Free Curl Mousse. This product is absolutely amazing. It's lightweight and it gets the job done. I don't really need products for this hair because it's super soft. All I really need is water, but I want to keep my curls nice and defined all day. And when I use mousse, it gives my hair a very moist look that I really like, so mousse it is. Now, last but not least, I'm gonna wrap my hair with a satin scarf just to set my edges and keep the top of my hair nice and flat. And in a few hours, I'm gonna come back with the results. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe. And like I said, if you have any video suggestions, just leave them down in the comment section below for me and Brianna. And don't forget to subscribe to my main channel. The link will be in the description box below.